How many people are at somewhere on the scale of they're not happy financially where they are? All right, well, here's the problem. Welcome to the entire world. We all, at some point, had somebody tell us a lie that said, if you just pull yourself up by your bootstraps, and I mean like old blue collar style, and you just work really damn hard, and you put your nose down, your face forward, you work every day, work every day, work every day. When you get to the other side with a piece of paper that's about as good as toilet paper, somebody is going to give you a really awesome job. Wow, was that a lie? So in 2014, I happened to fall in love with a new profession. I started knocking doors for a roofing company. Totally not sexy. By the way, you don't knock doors until you are so broke that you don't have another option. In case you're not sure, this is reality. It's number one. Number two is nobody wants to be a roofer in Florida. Swamp ass is real. It's really gross. Yep, nothing sexy about roofing. However, I paid off all my student loans in a little over 4.5 years. I scaled the first company I was with from 15 to 64 million in 7 years. I opened up my own company in 2021 with 6 employees. I ran it out of my house for the first 6 months. Those of you that are here that have been part of this, my distributor is here. I remember having meetings with my distributor in my house, right? How many people work out of their house? Awesome, stay there as long as you can. It's way cheaper than renting a place. Okay. In 3 years, I scaled to $30 million and 105 employees. Okay? And I learned along the way that I had a passion. My passion was specifically in insurance restoration. However, it was something even bigger than that. I love adding value to humans every single day. Okay, that's my passion. And I needed to find a way to make that passion worth my time and my energy. So back right before Thanksgiving, I stepped away from my roofing business, which was running kind of by itself for the last 1.5 years. I showed up on Saturday, kissed babies, took people out to dinner, gave a couple of meetings. Like I wasn't really doing much anymore. It was no longer a challenge. I hate not being challenged, right? So then I started consulting. I started doing these speeches all over the United States, helping homeowners, contractors, PAs, and attorneys onboard homeowners in a more efficient manner so that we can hold the insurance company accountable. Along that journey, I happened to find AI. How many people are AI efficient in this room? How many people would like to have an entire army behind them that you don't have to pay? Very good.